Hello students, as you know we are discussing our chapter synthetic fiber and plastics. In the previous video we discussed about the two important synthetic fiber, that was rayon and nylon. तो ये हम कर चुके हैं और आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं नेक्स्ट सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स जो है पॉलिएस्टर और एक्रिलिक. So let's start discussion on the polyester first. Polyesters are the polymers of the ester units. They are made up of esters. Esters जो हैं, these are the single units or the monomers of the polyesters, and when many ester molecules they join together, then the fiber which is formed is the polyester. These esters molecules they gives the fruity smell. इनकी जो smell होती है वो fruity smell होती है. So this is the polyester. If we talk about the important examples of the polyester, some important example of the polyesters are terylene, terene, Dacron. These are the some examples of the polyester. The most popular example of the polyester is the terylene, and this terylene can be used with the cotton and the wool. When this terylene is added with the or blended with the cotton, यानी कि ये एक synthetic fiber है, terylene polyester का type है, means it's a synthetic fiber. This terylene can be added or mixed with the cotton fiber. When we mix this terylene with the cotton, then it's known as terrycoat. तब हम उसे बोलते हैं terrycoat. So terrycoat and the terry wools are the mixed fibers which are formed from the synthetic fiber as well as with the natural fiber. So when terylene mixed with the cotton, then we call it terrycoat, and when terylene mixed with the wool, that is the natural fiber, then we call it terry wool. One more important example related with the polyester is the PET. एक और important example जो polyester से related हमें समझना है, that is the PET. PET की full form यहाँ पे है, वो है polyethylene terephthalate. The full form of terylene is polyethylene terephthalate. This is the full form of PET. And the PET is a synthetic fiber which is used to make the bottles for utensils, phones, etc. So कुछ important counts and most of the bottles which we use for the selling the soft drinks and for filling the water, etc. These bottles are made up of PET, which is a polyester. So यहाँ पे कुछ हमने important example देखे. Now let's see what are the qualities of the polyester. Polyester में ऐसी क्या quality है that we use the polyester. When we talk about the qualities of the polyester, these fibers of the polyester can be easily formed into the yarn. यानी कि हम बहुत आसानी से yarn बना सकते हैं, and then it can be used to make the fabric. So different kinds of fabrics are also made up of polyester. Other qualities are that they are light in weight. Polyester जो polyester से बने हुए fibers होते हैं, they are light, strong, elastic, and they absorb very less amount of water. This is the characteristics of almost all synthetic fibers, that they absorb very less amount of water. So we can say that they absorb less water. They absorb less water. If due to this they can dry quickly. तो जब अगर water बहुत कम absorb करेंगे तो quickly dry भी हो जाएंगे. It's understood. Next important is that they are wrinkle free. ये wrinkle free होते हैं. They also do not get wrinkled. They are wrinkle free. So these are the some important advantage characteristics of the polyester. Now this is about the polyester, the important synthetic fiber. Another synthetic fiber which we are going to discuss is the acrylic. Let's discuss about the another synthetic fiber which is acrylic. Acrylic is also known as polyacrylonitrile. Means it's known as polyacrylonitrile. Means acrylonitrile is the monomer unit and it's made up of these units by the repeating units of these three. So this is about the acrylic. Acrylic has some important advantages. Let's see what are the advantages with the acrylic. These acrylic fibers they are light in weight. क्या quality है acrylic fiber की? First जो है that they are light in weight, यानी कि weight में बहुत हल्के होते हैं acrylic fiber. Then they are soft. They are soft and warm. They are soft and warm, and they wool-like. They give us wool-like feeling. They give us wool-like feeling. इनसे जो feeling आती है वो wool जैसी feeling आती है, and they can be dyed easily. हम बहुत आसानी से इन्हें किसी भी कलर में डाई कर सकते हैं. They can be dyed easily. So these are the qualities of the acrylic fiber. They are light in weight, बहुत हल्के हैं, soft in warm होते हैं, and they give us wool-like feeling. wool यानी कि जो ऊन है वो जैसी हमें feeling दे रहे हैं और बहुत आसानी से कलर में डाई भी किए जा सकते हैं. Because they have wool-like feeling and the warm feeling, that's why they can be used an alternate source of the wool. Generally the wool which is obtained from the animal sources. एनिमल से मिलने वाली जो वूल होती है इट्स क्वाइट एक्सपेंसिव. दिस मेथड ऑब्टेनिंग द एक्रिलिक फाइबर एंड इट्स यूज एज एन वूल इज एन अल्टरनेट चीपेस्ट मेथड. तो एक बहुत अच्छा और सस्ता मेथड है अगर हम एक्रिलिक को यूज करें इन प्लेस ऑफ वूल. So these are the some qualities of the acrylic fiber. That's why they are very much in demand. ये बहुत सारी चीजों के लिए काम में आती हैं. Let's see what are the examples where we use the acrylic fiber. कहाँ हम acrylic fibers को use करते हैं देखते हैं. They are used to make the sweaters. They are used to make the sweater, shawls, shawl, jackets. इन सब चीजों को बनाने के लिए और इवन blankets also. जो हम वूलन में सारी चीजें यूज कर रहे हैं, blankets also. These things are made up of acrylic. And actually we feel that they are made up of wool, but in place of wool they are made up of acrylic fiber, but still they give us wool-like feeling and warmness. So this is the advantage of acrylic fiber. Now as we discussed about almost all important types of the synthetic fibers, now we will discuss about the advantages and disadvantages related with this synthetic fibers. What are the advantages of synthetic fiber? Synthetic fibers की कुछ इतनी important advantages होती हैं जिनकी वजह से वो बहुत ज़्यादा popular हो रहे हैं. Let's see what are these. First, synthetic fibers have high tensile strength. जो synthetic fibers होते हैं उनकी tensile strength का मतलब है to hold a weight. कितना ज़्यादा weight कितना means they can hold a large amount of weight. बहुत heavy weight भी synthetic fibers बहुत आसानी से hold कर सकते हैं. Whereas if we use the cotton, wool or silk like the natural fibers, then they can't hold that much weight that they can hold. So they have high tensile strength. Second properties, low water absorbing capacity. Synthetic fibers, they absorb very less amount of water. They absorb very less amount of water as compared to natural fibers. Natural fibers like cotton, wool, etc. अगर हम इन्हें use कर रहे हैं, they absorb very high amount of water. And because of this, they takes lots of time to dry up. Whereas synthetic fiber, they absorb very less water. जब water इतना कम absorb करेंगे, so they can dry quickly also. तो बहुत जल्दी सूख भी जाएंगे. This advantage you can do at your home with the help of an activity. आप एक activity कर सकते हैं. Take same size of two fibers, one natural fiber and one any synthetic fiber. आप कोई भी synthetic fiber ले सकते हैं. Synthetic fiber में you can take the nylon socks also, which is available at your home. So in one place you take the wool or cotton clothes. So take similar size of two fibers and then dip them at equal amount of water bucket. यानी कि same amount के water bucket में या water mug में आप उसे dip करिए. After that you will see that the natural fiber will absorb large amount of water. जो natural fiber है वहाँ पे ज़्यादा amount of water absorb करने की वजह से जो आपका water container है mug या bucket उसमें कम water रह जाएगा. Whereas synthetic fiber they absorb very less water and then put it to dry up. उसे dry up होने के लिए आप hand करके छोड़ दीजिए and you will see that natural fiber as they absorb lots of water they takes time to dry up. Whereas synthetic fiber they absorb very less water so they dry up quickly. This is the simple activity which you can perform at your home also. So this is the another advantage. Come on to the next one. They are long lasting and durable. Synthetic fibers are the wear and tear resistance. जो synthetic fiber होते हैं वो wear and tear resistant होते हैं. Wear and tear resistant मतलब जो चीज़ टूटती फूटती नहीं है, कटती नहीं है, so इसमें भी डैमेज होने के चांसेस बहुत कम होते हैं. Synthetic fibers are wear and tear resistance और abrasion resistant भी बोल सकते हैं. Another one जो आपको बहुत जगह पे मिलेगा abrasion resistance. Resistance और लिखते हैं resistance. So they have this quality due to which they are long lasting and durable. जब जो चीज़ खराब ही नहीं होगी तो बहुत लंबे टाइम तक चलेगी और किसी चीज़ के लंबे टाइम तक चलने को हम ड्यूरेबिलिटी भी बोलते हैं. So we can say that they are long lasting and durable. Next is less expensive. Synthetic fibers are less expensive as compared to natural fiber. We can study about the silk also. So they can be afforded by the any person, कोई भी इसे afford कर सकता है. The last one is the good elasticity. Synthetic fiber has high amount of elasticity. They are elastic enough. We can stretch them. जब हम उन्हें stretch करते हैं उनका size increase हो जाता है and after releasing they come back into their normal shape and due to because of their elasticity. उनके अंदर elasticity होती है. For this you can take the example of nylon socks. The socks of yours which is made up of nylon. You can stretch the socks by which the size of socks get increased. But as you release it, it comes into its normal size. So this is another advantage. So here we discuss about some important advantages of synthetic fibers. Now let's take a look on disadvantages of synthetic fiber. Disadvantages of synthetic fiber. Synthetic fibers have lots of disadvantages also. Advantages तो हम देख चुके हैं, but उनकी disadvantages भी काफी हैं. Like first we can say that they can melt and burn easily. Synthetic fibers can be melted and burned easily. They can catch fire very easily. अगर आप सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स पहन के उनसे बने हुए कोई भी फैब्रिक पहन के आप काम कर रहे हैं कहीं भी फ्लेम के आसपास लाइक किचन में, सो दे कैन कैच फायर इजीली. फायर कैच करेंगे एंड आफ्टर बर्निंग दे मेल्ट वेरी इजीली. बहुत जल्दी ही मेल्ट हो जाएंगे. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डिसएडवांटेज रिलेटेड विद सिंथेटिक फाइबर. Next, they are non-biodegradable. Synthetic fiber, as they are made up of chemicals and due to which they are non-biodegradable. ये कभी भी nature से decompose नहीं होते. Because of this, they cause soil pollution. They cause soil pollution also. So synthetic fiber cause soil pollution. Next is they are uncomfortable during summer. Synthetic fibers, they do not absorb water as we know. Similarly, they do not absorb sweat also. During the summer or the humid time, जब बहुत ज़्यादा humidity है या बहुत summer है, जिस टाइम पे बहुत ज़्यादा sweating होती है, if we wear the synthetic fiber at that time, then they do not absorb the sweat and the sweat get trapped between the synthetic fiber and our body due to which these fiber they get stick. ये कपड़े जो होते हैं वो हमारी बॉडी पे स्टिक चिपकने शुरू हो जाते हैं. So it's very uncomfortable to wear these kinds of clothes during the summer or humid time. Last important disadvantage is that these synthetic fibers they can cause skin problems. Synthetic fibers they cause some kinds of skin problems in some person also. Like they can cause a skin problem that is known as eczema. Eczema skin problem होती है. Some people face the eczema due to the synthetic fibers. So these are the some important disadvantages related with synthetic fiber. With this, we completed our topic synthetic fiber. We have discussed about the rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic, their advantages and disadvantages related with synthetic fibers. So this topic synthetic fiber is completed here. Now we will move on to the next topic, which is plastics.